Hello everyone, welcome to Math VBN channel. In this video, 6 common sense interesting riddles are asked. Check your mental level by answering the riddles. So let's start. Riddle 1. I have a head, a tail, but no legs. What am I? Here, a coin. Riddle number 2. What letter is not in alphabets? And this is common sense riddle, tricky riddle. And the answer is that you put in mailbox. The letter. Riddle number 3. Everyone has me. No one has lost me. You see me both indoors and out. What am I? That is shadow. Riddle 4. What is as big as an elephant but weighs nothing at all? Who am I? Just think you can assess this answer. And the answer is shadow of an elephant. And the riddle 5 is, where does Friday come before Thursday? This is purely common sense riddle. And the answer is in the dictionary. And riddle number 6 is, I am first in earth, second in heaven, appear once in a year and twice in a week. Who am I? This is again tricky common sense riddle. And the answer is the letter E. In the heaven, in the year. So thanks for watching, and how many answers you respond correctly, comment and do subscribe our channel. How many answers you respond correctly, please mention below the video, and like this video and subscribe this Math VBN channel for watching more these kind of interesting videos.